What should I do if my hot water heater is frozen?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss a common winter problem, a frozen hot water heater. If you've noticed your hot water isn't running as it should, there's a chance that your heater could be frozen. Don't panic. We're going to guide you through the steps you can take to solve this problem.
How do I know if my hot water heater is frozen?
Your first clue is probably that you don't have any hot water. Other signs can include strange noises from the heater or a visible frost buildup on the heater or its pipes.
What should I do first?
The first thing you should do is turn off the power supply to your hot water heater. This could be either electrical power or a gas supply. Doing this can prevent further damage.
How can I thaw the hot water heater?
To unfreeze your water heater, you can use a couple of methods. 1. Use a space heater. Position a space heater in the area where the water heater is located, maintaining a safe distance to avoid a fire hazard. Allow the heat to gradually thaw the unit. 2. Use hot water bottles. Wrap hot water bottles or heating pads around the pipes leading to and from the heater. Remember, never use an open flame or high-powered heating devices to thaw a frozen water heater, as this can cause serious damage and may be dangerous.
How can I prevent my hot water heater from freezing?
There are a few preventive measures you can take. 1. Insulate your water heater and pipes. Insulation jackets and wraps can help keep your unit and its pipes warm. 2. Keep your space warm. Try to maintain a warm temperature in the area where your hot water heater is located. 3. Install heat tape. Heat tape, when installed correctly on your pipes, can prevent freezing. It's like an electric blanket for your pipes. If your hot water heater is frozen, remember, act quickly but safely. With the right steps, you can thaw your water heater and prevent future freezes. If you're unsure or if the heater doesn't seem to be thawing, don't hesitate to call a professional. It's better to be safe than sorry. Stay warm, everyone.